Hello there, and welcome back to some satisfying machines and ingenious tools. We hope you will consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Extrusion is a manufacturing process where a material is pushed through a die to create a continuous profile of a specific shape. A CNC machine tool is a precise manufacturing device that utilizes programmed instructions to cut and shape metal parts to exact specifications. Lathes are great for rotating a product around a fixed axis in order to create a uniformly round product. Here, dowels are being made. This little gadget is a handy tool for cutting pipe while on the job site. Many times saws are used to do this, but this would come in handy in tight spaces. Insulated bottles are made of 2 layers with a vacuum-sealed annular space in between the layers, and this is how they're made. There are many innovations in agricultural machinery. This one wraps the beds to keep weeds from encroaching. This machine shows that to get the job done, a great machine doesn't have to be complicated. If you look closely, it is simply a few rollers and a tension screw mechanism. Dowel making is a process of creating cylindrical rods, typically made of wood. They are often used to reinforce joints in furniture and other wooden structures. Concrete screening is done in many ways and often by hand, but this machine saves man-hours and does a great job. Making patterns in concrete, also called stamping, involves pressing textured mats or stamps onto freshly poured concrete. It adds a bit of visual interest to an otherwise boring walkway. When metal is heated to high temperatures, it becomes malleable, which means it can be formed and shaped without cracking or breaking. This process is often used in forging, rolling, and extrusion to create products. Here is another simple but ingenious tool used to forge blades. It uses a motor to simply push a basic sledgehammer down onto the heated metal. Clamps can be used in many applications to hold materials together to free workers' hands. But working with tile requires clamps that do not damage the breakable tiles. These ingenious wheat harvester machines use a combination of cutting, threshing, and cleaning mechanisms to separate the wheat kernels from the stalks and the chaff, allowing for more efficient harvesting. We often underestimate the value of everyday hand tools and the way that they are made. Here we see the creation of a workhorse on the job site, the humble sledgehammer. Pruning trees is a dangerous and tiresome job without this incredible ingenious limb cutter. It basically takes the operation of a simple hand shear and adds a rope mechanism. A DIY rotisserie for the barbecue pit. What else could a handyman want at the end of a long day working around the farm? This tool is an electrician's dream. It does everything. It crimps, cuts, and even braids the wires together. Its dexterity is way beyond any electrician's hands. Boring the heads of an engine is a technique used in high-performance engine builds to increase airflow and horsepower, with enlarged cylinder head openings in the block. If you enjoyed this video, please write us and comment below about your favorite clip. See you next time.